Hello, welcome to my channel. New episode with a new story. Ordinary people and their extraordinary lives.
ಹಾಯ್ ನಾನು ವೀಣಾ. ಆಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಡಿ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ತವಾಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಗುವಾಹಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಮೆಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಕೇಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ and I am actually quite inspired and impressed with the way they are together and traveling and the way they are consistently traveling and keeping that friendship. So I just wanted to have a talk with them. So let's talk. So let me introduce them. Yeah, we can start.
Hey, hi, good morning. We are at Bomdila, Arunachal Pradesh. I am Soumya. Okay, we three are teachers.
Hi, I'm Purnima and we are here at Bomdila.
Hi, I am Ekla here. The three of us have come on our fourth or fifth trip together. So it's been a wonderful time that we have had for the last 6 days. So we hope to have some more adventures in the future too.
Okay, now can you tell me how you became friends? You
Yeah,
three.
okay. We three were working for Kumaran School in Bangalore, and we are together, in one staff room. We teach chemistry and biology.
Okay.
And myself and Mekala, we are retired now, and Purnima is still working.
Mm.
So we were just working school home all the time. Then at one point we realized we need to enjoy.
Okay.
Okay, so we started going for trips.
Okay.
As she said,
It's a small trip.
yeah,
And then
What was your first trip you
first trip
started
was
with?
to Nandi Hills.
Okay.
Bangalore
That was
itself.
Bangalore, so it was just a one-day trip. We went in the morning and we were back by evening.
Yeah,
So we really enjoyed that trip and decided that now we need to extend this from one day to maybe probably 3 days or 4 days.
yeah.
So then we started with
Started.
our first trip during the holidays that
To
we went
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
Oh,
Oh,
we
okay, okay.
enjoyed like anything. Then we decided every year, whatever happens, we have to meet in April, go for a long trip,
Okay.
enjoy nicely.
Nice.
So
Nice.
started living for ourselves now.
So it's like 1 year ritual every
1 year
year.
ritual, yeah.
How will you manage, Punya ma'am? Like, when these two will be free, you will be still working, like managing the leaves.
Actually,
And
we will
coming.
be having group calls in the evening.
Oh, okay, nice.
So morning these two will work and they will set everything ready for us. And me and one more is missing today actually. She is not here with us.
Okay.
And we both are working and
Unfortunately, her
evenings
father fell down and underwent a
Oh,
surgery.
okay, okay.
So she paid actually and
she withdrew from the
Oh,
Yeah.
what's the name?
Padma.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Right, actually. It would
Otherwise,
have been nice.
otherwise
Yeah, yeah.
Four of us always go together.
Oh, okay. Tell about your Lakshadweep trip. How, why you decided Lakshadweep and
So once we wanted to experience the cruise
okay.
trip.
So it was like we've been doing the mountain region and beach region. I mean, this land area. So that's how we thought we'll go to a seaside place. And Padma, she's from Kerala, the other friend that we're talking
Okay,
about. So she said from Cochin it's going to be there's a cruise that goes to Lakshadweep. So we all went to her house, in fact, and she has a house in Kerala. So we stayed there one night and then took the cruise the next day to Lakshadweep.
nice.
So this booking and all had to be done much in advance. I mean, about 1.5 months, 2 months in advance only we had to do this because this was a government organized cruise, like
Samudram cruise
Oh, okay.
run by government.
Okay, okay.
so for that the booking gets over very quickly. So we were on the alert and we would keep making calls every day to that
Lot of
Kerala
planning.
office and yeah, a lot of planning and then yeah, this cruise experience was something
Oh,
different. We really
wonderful.
wanted to have that.
I'm really happy that whatever you are doing. And how is your family support? Like, they also get inspired. They send you.
Very supportive.
Yeah. Because when woman is not there at the home, especially when
No, because
yeah.
we work throughout, so they keep encouraging us. No, you need to enjoy. You need to live your life. So 5 days only, just apology. We
Yeah.
will manage somehow. You just go enjoy and come with it.
That's
Send
nice.
us.
What do
Very
you say?
supportive.
Yeah, that is good. Actually, it is a blessing to have a supportive
Yeah.
family for a woman. I mean, for anybody, in fact. What would you like to say to the younger generation? Like any, not just for traveling, you can start with the traveling, but as a younger generation, if you pass on some uh, good words to them, what would you say?
Main thing is like you need to make friends. I mean, that is something that I find a little lacking in the younger generation. They're too self-independent, too much for, care, I mean, bothered about themselves and this thing. So I think friendship is a really good thing. You need to nurture it, especially as you grow older, no? You really need company. So, now, okay, age is at your side, you have health at your side, you think you can do everything and, manage stuff on your own. But then as you grow older, you really think, I mean, you really feel that you need somebody, I mean, to be there with you and give you company. So otherwise, the younger generation is very good. I mean, all the research work, they do it on their own. They're very smart and all these reels that they put in, beautiful pictures, everything is fantastic that
Okay,
way,
okay.
tech-wise. But individually, as, the personality, they need to sort of develop bonding. That is what I feel
Okay,
is slightly missing.
At the same time, they need to enjoy the nature. They need to start appreciating the nature and also conserve the nature.
Yeah.
So only when they come out, they get to see the world around and they start appreciating the beauty.
My generation, same
It's
thing.
same.
Yeah,
Okay.
friendship is very important.
Yeah, that is true. Friendship is really
Yeah,
important.
yeah.
What is there in your mind, or I mean, it is too soon to ask, but do you have anything already set up for the next trip that this we are looking for?
Not a cold place,
Yeah.
definitely.
And I
One
attitude.
experience is enough now.
Yes.
Not high attitude, let's go.
No.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we had one desert trip, one mountain trip over,
Mhm.
and one
Cruise
snow
trip is
place
over.
is done.
Yeah, maybe now you should do international.
Yeah, that's what we are thinking.
We are planning for
That's
that.
what we are thinking.
Okay. I wish you all the best. And
Thank you.
I wish you many more trips like this
Thank you.
and many more friends. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.